Dear students, welcome to the chapter of fractions, an introductory note on it. In this topic, you will be discussing various type of fractions, types of fractions, like fractions, and unlike fractions. Like fractions are those fractions which are having same denominator. Say for example, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 11 by 7, sorry, 4 by 7 and all that, 1 by 7. All these are having same denominator and hence we call them as like fractions. Similarly, when unlike fractions are there, we will have different denominators. Their numerators may be or may not be equal. Say for example, 2 by 7 and 2 by 9 are called unlike fractions. Fractions must be part of a whole. It cannot be a decimal expression with whole as its first part. For example, 11 by 7. This is equal to 1 integer 4 by 7, which is nothing but 1 plus 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is a decimal part, 1 is a whole part. This cannot be called as a fraction. But of course, when 11 by 7 is converted into this, then it becomes a mixed fraction. But 11 by 7, when written in the form of a decimal part, it is to be called as a decimal number. And 11 by 7 converted into a mixed one, then it is called as a fraction because this becomes part of 1. And 1 additional is there, 1 plus this becomes 4 by 7. Therefore, it is now a mixed fraction. Similarly, we will discuss improper fractions and we will discuss proper fractions and conversion of proper to improper and something like that, and the basic operations of addition, subtraction, similarly multiplication and division. These will be studied in detail when we take up the task of studying on fractions. When 13 by 14 and 7 by 14, these are the like fractions, and immediately we will understand 13 by 14 and 7 by 14 comparison is possible and 13 by 14 is greater than 7 by 14. But when unlike fractions are given, say 3 by 5 and 2 by 7, which is greater, which is smaller? In order to do that, we need to find the LCM of denominators, which actually make this as like fractions. Unlike fractions are converted into like fractions by means of finding the LCM. This kind of concepts we will be discussing in our topic of fractions. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for your support.